So let's level set for our audience here. When we say martech, what do we actually mean?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's a pretty broad category as well. There anyone familiar with the like martech Lumascape? I lost track. There's many thousands of platforms that call themselves martech, but really, what at the end of the day, what it is, it's marketing platforms that do really from soup to nuts. It's collecting data and information about customers. It's delivering marketing campaigns and experiences to customers, and then it's analyzing those campaigns and initiatives. So everything from data collection to analytics and everything in between, and that's why martech is a very big it's a very big place to be. So a lot of times you'll find people focused on one niche of it. E-commerce is just one narrow niche of martech and stuff like that. So I try to focus on the strategic parts of it and the process oriented parts of it, because nobody can know all the ins and outs of all of it. But again, at its fundamental level, it's focused on those basically data delivery and analysis.
So let me double click on that a little bit if I can. You mentioned that the word platform, and it brought up something for me in the course that I teach at Michigan State. It's customer relationship management, and right off the bat, people think of Salesforce.com or Microsoft Dynamics or some software platform that manages sales pipelines or contact management. And of course, the course is much more than that. It's sort of the end-to-end understanding of the customer life cycle and how you can use automation strategically, and first think through the strategy and then apply it to earn loyalty and trust from customers so that you can improve business outcomes. So when I say that, it feels to me like there might be a parallel. So I want to get a distinction for the audience. When we say platform, is platform really just a component of it?
Yeah, I think it's there's the software itself, and then there's the use. It comes down to people, process. I add data to the people, process, data, platform. So platform at its most simplistic is literally the software and the code that runs it. But you could also look at platform as the people and the processes that are using it, right? So in the Salesforce example, yeah, you have a subscription, but it takes a lot more than a subscription to a piece of software to really make Salesforce run. You've got to have processes that guide the people that are using it. So I would say the same goes for martech. You can have a customer data platform that is a thing that you pay a subscription for, but in the broader sense, you need a way to collect customer data. You need a way to understand who your customers are, and then you need to do something with that data. So that could be one piece of software with some people using it, or it could be a collection of different pieces tied together.